I'm gonna try to film this. Alright, some N55 POV, and also I gotta test to make sure that, so I deleted the AC and I did my own belt setup. I'll show you guys what I did, because I learned from this other guy. We are warmed up, yeah we are. Gonna put it on manual. Let's see if it holds up. I'm not gonna try to give her too much beans, but we'll see how she's feeling. Because at the same time, I also gotta make sure that, you know, we're getting good boost, as well as, because it said I got a boost leak, but I don't know where the leak is coming from, the boost. But I'm gonna see if we get more response. And as well as, I guess, like, take you guys for a little drive. What the fuck? I know I can't turn here before. Taking a little scenic route, ain't you hurt? I'm about to just get on this fucking highway and just rip the shit. But I low-key think that there's a detective over there. There's a blacked out motherfucking... Everybody has blacked out fucking... Everybody has blacked out tint. I don't even know what I was trying to say. Hey, when in Miami, join them, bro. Maybe I'm also slipping clutch because I could use my fluid. I'm only going this slow on the on-ramp because the wheels that I have are 19s. Alright, yeah, I gotta watch out. I think I fucking need some new tires. Oh, did it? your boy is fucking at 14 amps, or 14 volts, sorry. We're at 14 volts, 14 volts. Oil temps, 185, guys. Yo, wait. Boost? I don't know what I've hit. I haven't really hit anything. Alright guys, so here's the engine bay. Here's how I have the pulley set up. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's gonna look somewhat like that. There you go. It's gonna go from the crank to around the alternator, or the power steering, sorry. Then you're gonna move the idler that was at that bottom position. I don't know if you can see it, but it used to be down there, and you move it up here, right there, and then you get, I don't know if you can see it, but you get the belt size 7PK 1440. That is very specific. It's that specific size that you need in order to run this pulley setup. If your AC compressor ever takes a dump and you don't have the money to afford a new compressor pulley, just run it without AC for the time being and still charge your car. Looks like I'm getting oil buildup right there. I need to clean that. Yeah. I like how I have my JB4 tucked away. I gotta figure that problem next. I stay on that. But yeah, it's fairly simple. What else am I missing? I think I have to find a boost leak. I don't know what's up with that. Gotta figure that out. So yeah, that's my next feat. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything Beamer related or car related in general, like, I'll try my best to help y'all out, bro, because I know how this gets. If my videos suck, let me know. If you have any questions on what mods you would think I would recommend for your cars, let me know. Yeah, bro, I'm just genuinely always intrigued on how I can help other people. Yeah, buying used cars kind of sucks, but this 135 is the shit. I ain't even gonna lie. I love this car.